Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be an unboxing on the SEOULBOX. I got two different variations of it. I don't know which one it is, it doesn't say anything, but it does ship from Korea. This from SEOULBOX.com, mySEOULBOX.com. Let's see which one this is, because I got two different variations. I don't know which one's which exactly. Here it is. Looks nice protection with the bag, so it doesn't, nothing happens to it. Welcome to Korea. Okay, nice. In the back, Garden saw. Pretty good. Garden saw. Okay, sweet. Let's open it. Oh, nice. Straight to your door. From streets of Seoul. Okay. SEOULBOX. SEOULBOX. Here's what they have inside. I guess there's definitely variations because this is a little thick for what's in here. Again, just give more info. Things happening. Korea, K-pop stuff. There's that girl from inside. How the solo debuts. Okay, so just basic information about music and Korean things. Okay, cool. Little magazine. What do we have here? This is a drink. BTS special packaging. The hell? Okay. Cool. There's some chips. What flavor? I don't know. Looks cool though. This is cookie with jelly inside. Nice. This is like a cake. It's soft. I don't know what it says. Oh, here. I guess it's berries flavored. This is like a choco pie. You can see. Nice. Some bears and a fox. A squirrel. This is biscuit. It says right there. This one actually says biscuit. This is, I guess, shrimp flavored rice cookie things. Nice. This is butter and cocoa. This is just like a candy, like a jelly candy. We'll see. This is jellies for sure. Little bears, little cute bears. Okay. Nice. And more, another one. I'm guessing it's candy. Little hard candy. Some girly socks. It says for women. You can wear them, it's just gonna be a little small. This is Korean wheat yogurt sand wafer. Okay, nice. This is that Asian snack. Nice, okay. Some noodles. I'm guessing hopefully spicy. Nice. Some more hard candies. Oh, nice. These are little chocolate candies with peanuts inside, I guess. Nice. This is foot care. Rose foot pack. This for your feet. Okay. Weird. Mask. Foot mask pack. And some more rice cookie shrimp flavors. Nice. Okay, that's all that comes in the box. I got two. I got the SEOULBOX Signature and the SEOULBOX 5.1. I think this is a SEOULBOX Signature. I don't know. It's one of the other. They're all really close in price. They're a little under $40. Get some socks, some foot care thing, BTS drink, some crunchy candies, noodles, this thing, some cookies, some jellies, more cookies, and some chips. Nice. All right. Nice. This is the SEOULBOX. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.